Hi guys, and welcome to Excel tutorial of how to change the color of a cell as cell D1 if the value of cell A plus B, which is stored in C, is greater than and equals to 12 or whatever number that might be. This is actually at a request of one of my viewers out there, and this is what we're going to put together. This is an Excel, as you guys can see. So I'm just going to come in here now. Let's enter whatever value in here, and you and I know, let's just say equals, and let's sum that up, A plus B, and there. So that's what we get for column C. Now you see column D, what he wants is for this column, once the value in here is greater than 12, he wants this column to automatically change to green or whatever color or any color at all. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to just select home, and let's go straight into conditional formatting. Drop that down and let's select new rules. There we go. Once you select new rules, the next thing you now want to do is, you see where you have use a formula to determine which cell to format. Make sure that is selected. And the next thing is, you see right in here where we have format value, where the formula is true. So I'm going to enter the formula. So let's say equals, and I'm going to enter and, open a bracket, and we just say $sign A1 space plus $sign B1 greater than and equals to 12, depend on the value. Then enter a comma, and we say column n, open up parenthesis, equals 4. There. Okay, so we're talking about A now, A1, B1. Do the next thing is come right here. See where we have formula? Let's grab all of that. Click on formula and just select whatever color you want. Okay, I've just selected green. Click on OK and click on OK again. There we go. It automatically becomes green. And as you can see, there's nothing inside our cell or inside the column. But let's add some other data in there. I'm going to say 4 and let's enter whatever in the others. And we just want to see if it's going to work or not. So I'm going to enter. Yeah, that will do. Now come in here, double click on the very cell in there, and that gives us that. So all they need to do is select this and just drag it down. There we go. Look at that. All the cells that the value is less than 12, they are actually empty. There's no green color in there. Supposing we change this, I'm going to change this one to whatever, just press enter. There we go. Okay, and maybe this one here, the one right underneath here, will be, let's increase that, press enter. You see that? That's just how to put that together. Okay, it's that easy. So I'm just going to recap quick. All they need to do is make sure you select home, come in here, you see that, format, and select new rule, and you then need to select this condition here, use a formula to determine which cell to format, and enter the formula right in here. The formula that you will enter, just enter this formula right there, guys. That is the formula. So all then you need to do is just click on OK, and that's all. And that will be the end of this short tutorial. I believe I've answered your question. And here, just before I leave, let me show you the formula again. That's your question here, and this is the formula. All right, so you have a nice day now, and bye for now.